Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to build more reports with Sheets or Google Sheets and its templates. As you can see here, I'm under Google Sheets. Now, what you'll do is just click on Template Gallery right here. As you can see, we have a ton of options. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use the simple one, the monthly budget. Okay. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now then go ahead and modify the content, formulas, and formatting to align with the specific reporting needs. Okay. Let's say you double click on this number right here. As you can see, it got a formula here as well. We got a sum. This one, just a number, and this one as well. Okay. You can go ahead over to extensions as well, add your corporate data, import data, start new import, load up your resources or records, for example, people. Import, wait for it, and there you have it. You can just easily copy and paste data from here or use special functions or formula to get items from your corporate data that is uploaded to the project template. Okay. Also, when you just want to use your corporate data and delete these templates right here. Okay. Again, you could just go ahead and use formulas like sum, average, COUNTIF, query, filter to aggregate, analyze, and present data. Okay, you have the option to pivot tables as well. Go ahead over to insert. You have pivot table. Just select the data range and create a new sheet. Also under insert, you have pre-built tables. You also got charts and graphs if you want to add it in here, conditional formatting, and maybe data validation. Yeah, right here. Okay. And if you want to as well, you could go ahead over to extensions and add-ons. If you want to, you could go ahead and use Looker Studio to create your report, just to create a interactive and visually appealing dashboards and reports with advanced data visualization capabilities. Okay, this was formerly known as Google Data Studio. Now, if you want to know more how to integrate Looker Studio to Copper CRM, we have a separate video for that. Go ahead and check it out on our channel. And under add-ons right here, you could also use Autocrat for mail merge tile reports, or even third-party template galleries like Vertex 42, offering a collection of free templates for various business. Okay, as you can see, you have mail merge here as well from Quicklution. Okay, that's basically it. Just organize your data in a clear and consistent manner, ideally in separate tabs for raw data, calculations, and final reports. Use descriptive labels for columns and rows and provide instructions or notes for users, especially in shared sheets. And of course, regularly save copies or use Google Sheets versions history to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.